Hey guys, and today we have two new models for you, and the left one is the Redmi K70Pro White Edition 1TB, and this time for the Redmi K70Pro White Edition. They used a special design back panel, and also the framework is totally metal and shiny metal. And also this time they used a triple rear camera system, support Type-C, and also they used a straight screen, not a cover screen, punch hole screen, and it's a same bezel from four sides, left, right, up and down. And also they used the HyperOS from Xiaomi, and this is the first Redmi smartphone used the Xiaomi HyperOS. And also you can find it's a full display design in the 6.67-inch screen, the 2K display resolution, 3200 by 1440 display resolution. The camera 50 megapixel main camera and support OIS, and 50 megapixel portrait lens 2x optical lens, and 60 megapixel front camera, and also it get a 12 megapixel front camera. So now I support zoom. This is yes, I forgot to mention it uses Snapdragon 8 Generation 3, the newest flagship chips from Snapdragon. Here is the OPPO Reno11Pro, and for this model we also have the White Edition, and also the back panel design is so special, and it's just like the Glacier, and also the matted glass is not shining. Also the camera zoom is over. Camera zoom is about triple camera system, and also looks so beautiful. Compared to the Redmi, it used a curved screen, and it's a bit thin than Redmi K70Pro. But they also used the punch hole screen, but it's all cover screen, and this time they used a 6.67-inch, the same size. It's used 6.64-inch OLED screen. Powered by ColorOS. Here we get more information from the settings. This time they use a Snapdragon 8 Plus, and they support LPDDR5X and UFS 3.1 for the RAM and ROM, and they support 30 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel main camera, and 32 megapixel portrait lens, and 80 megapixel wide angle, and it's also supported 32 megapixel front camera. Here is a zoom performance. Yes, for the battery it's just 4700, lower than the 5000 battery if it's compared with Redmi K70, and also it's just support 80 watt fast charging, but Redmi K70 support 120 watt fast charging. And for the screen size it's a bit bigger, 6.67, but it's 6.74. But for the display resolution, the Redmi K70 2K and the Reno 1.5K. Frame raw information, Redmi K70 also do good. But if compared the dimensions for the Redmi, it's a bit small but thick. Like the thickness for the Reno11Pro is 8.26 mm, but the Redmi K70Pro it reached to 8.21. But the OPPO Reno used a curved, so the thickness part is different. In both of them, you can get more information from the settings. Details, information, specification. Both of them we hands on the white edition, and both look so unique, so beautiful. So maybe you can let me know which one you prefer. For the Redmi K70, it's a bit similar to the silk white, but for the Reno, it's a bit different, glassy, like the eyes. And also both of them support based on Android 14. And if we make a conclusion on these two devices, for the specification, I think Redmi K70 Pro do better. If for the feelings and designs, I think Reno 11 Pro is better. You can get better and comfortable touch feelings and hands-on feelings. And the design also looks so beautiful. For the camera, I think both of them have some advantages. For the front, the Reno is better, and for the rear cameras, for the portrait, Reno is better. But for the main one, the Redmi K70 do better. Is have a Light Hunter 800, and also for the screen, of course, the Redmi K70 Pro much better. C8 material, OLED, 2K, and straight screen. For Reno, just 1.5K. And also the battery, as I already mentioned above, Redmi K70 much faster in charging, 120 watt, and big battery 5000. For Reno, just 4700 with 80 watt. We can have a very simple camera comparison of these two models. Wide angle 1x, 2x. As I mentioned, the Reno support 2x. Professional portrait lens, Reno. Five times. Ten times. Zoom at largest. 20 times for Reno. Yeah. Front. (16 megapixel vs 32 megapixel). So I can put the measures at the end of the video. You can check the sample images. about these two devices. Okay, thanks for watching. This is my very short and simple comparison video about the Redmi K70Pro and the Reno11Pro. Thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Bye bye.